What's up? This is Ro from Scratching Made Easy. In this lesson, we will discuss eighth notes, quarter notes, and quarter rests. You can find links to everything discussed in this video in the description below. If you're not familiar with these terms, please check out our previous videos and get yourself caught up. That being said, let's go ahead and get started. The tempo is at 87 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play the rhythm again, but this time let's make sure to count out loud. We want to count out loud because it makes it easier for us to stay on beat. Also, try not to rush the rests. Rushing rests is a common mistake for beginners. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to be precise for the counting. This will help us identify counts of rhythms. Being able to identify counts of rhythms will make learning how to scratch new rhythms easier. Let's go ahead and move on to rhythm number 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. If this is too easy, increase the beats per minute, or if it's too difficult, decrease the tempo. When you start to play the rhythm correctly, gradually and slowly increase the tempo. Your goal should be to constantly challenge yourself. Now that we've got that covered, let's move on to example number 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that you're getting the hang of it, let's go ahead and switch it up a bit with rhythm 4. If you learn to play these rhythms accurately, you should see improvement in the way you play. Remember to count out loud and try to play evenly spaced strokes. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you found this helpful, visit our website and check out our premium videos as well as our book, Scratching Made Easy, Turntable Method, Book 1, A Guide to Scratching. On the website, you'll find everything you need to get scratching. Do us a favor, hit the thumbs up, it really helps us out. If you have any comments, please leave me in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, peace.